Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we are going to try and fix your credit card or debit card not working with PayPal. So there are a few things to consider that might be causing the problem. Number one, and a rather common fix to the issue, is keep in mind that when first adding a card to PayPal, there needs to be some money in the card. The specific amount differs from country to country, but it's not much. I'd say usually keep around $5 in your account. This is because PayPal will set a charge on your account. Obviously, they will refund it. It's just to make sure that the account is actually active and the details are correct. Now, the second thing is some countries may actually block that charge. So it is a good idea to phone your actual bank if you are having problems and find out if they are blocking the PayPal charge and just let them know that this is actually you and you are trying to link a PayPal account. Now, another issue that you may face is billing information. Now, you need to make sure that your billing address is the exact same one as on the card you are trying to add, or you will run into some problems with PayPal. There are some users who state simply removing an already added card and re-adding it back into PayPal also does the trick. Hopefully this fixes your problem, and if it does, do hit subscribe, do hit like, let us know in the comment section if you know any other way to help users who might stumble upon this video. Thank you so much and have an amazing one.